99% of Amazon sellers are bitches. I said it. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to not become one. If you are hanging out on Amazon Twitter, you've probably seen that trend. We can call it a trend of people tweeting stuff like, here's the truth about Amazon, or here's what Amazon Guru do not tell you. And then they start complaining about, oh, life is hard, oh, Amazon is hard, because they had like some, and it's just some minor loss. It's not even a big thing, but like complain about this stuff, and they get engagement with this stuff, all right? If you are the type of guy to do this, like, just unsubscribe to this channel. I do not care. I do not want you in my community. I do not want you in my Discord, because you are just a bitch. You are just a bitch. Like, all you do is complaining, right? So in today's video, I'm going to give you exactly 3 tips on how to avoid becoming a bitch like this. And yeah, because those are weak men. And here's the truth, because I'm talking about men, but like women in this industry, in this business, are warriors. Like, you never hear them complaining about stuff like that, crying about stuff like that. It's only those bitch ass men, like those weak ass men who like never faced adversity, complaining on Twitter, complaining on stuff, and just putting weak men together, like building like a communities of weak men. I do not want this channel to become this. I do not want this, the Discord server, because yes, by the way, we have a Discord server, and we're going to talk about this before we actually dive into the video, and I give you the 3 tips that you can use to avoid becoming a bitch. But like, yes, we have a Discord server, best place to meet other sellers, best place to build a strong circle of sellers that are actually warriors and that are not bitches. So if you want to meet other sellers, if you want to ask questions about selling on Amazon, the best place to do it is in the description. But as I said, like, these men that you always see complaining on Twitter and stuff are just bitches. They are weak men that never faced adversity in their life because they had everything handed to them. And like, even on our Discord server, you see women, there's a few women that are warriors, that are never complaining, that participate in the group chats, that ask questions, and you never hear them complaining once. Right, so why is this, like, why is there some bitches, some men bitches, some male bitches complaining on Twitter and stuff? All right, let's not digress and let's dive into those 3 tips that I wanted to give you. And the first one is that you do not want a soft life. All right, you do not want a soft life. You want to have battle scars, be proud of them, and like ask for more, because like you need to be proud of them. You're gonna learn from your loss. One of the hardest things that I had to go through my Amazon journey is having my account suspended for 6 months due to a stupid mistake. It was not easy. And here's the truth. Nobody ever told you, like, nobody ever promised to you that this shit was going to be easy, right? Running the business is easy. It's simple. I should say this. It's simple, all right? The business model is simple, all stuff, but the day-to-day may not be easy. You're going to have some days that are super hard, and sometimes those days are going to last for months. And it's gonna be super hard. You're gonna cry. You're gonna have some blood. It's gonna be it's gonna be tears, blood, and sweat. Like, it's not gonna be easy. Running the business, yes, the business model is easy, but you're gonna face some stuff. Life is gonna happen as well. It's not gonna be easy, and nobody ever promised you. I swear to God, nobody ever promised you that it was going to be easy. Nobody. Just watch everyone's video on YouTube, everything that everybody says. No guru, if you want to call them guru, no one ever told you that it was going to be easy. You're just a bitch. Because whenever like you face some issues, whenever you face some problems, the first thing you do is run to Twitter to complain about it. That's it. And as I said, there's a way to frame it, and it's gonna be actually the second point, the second tips that I'm going to give you. You've heard me talk about Stoicism a lot and Marcus Aurelius, and he said exactly, and let me quote it accurately. He said, "Don't be overheard complaining, even to yourself. It's all about the way you frame it." The quote ends over there, but like what I say after that, it's just from me. It's all about the way you frame it. So never be overheard complaining, even to yourself. Here's the truth. It does not mean that you should not talk about your loss, but there's a way to frame it. Like, if the way you frame it is, oh, it's super hard, oh, life is so hard, oh, I don't know what to do, oh, I lost $600, here's, they do not tell you about Amazon, I wish someone told me this, I wish someone told me that I would exactly lost $500 if I did this, if I did that, if I did, no, you're just a bitch, all right? Don't be overawed complaining. It's all about the way you frame it. For example, when I make my monthly recap, my monthly videos, have you ever heard me actually complaining about some things like that, crying about something? No, I always tell you, here's what went right, here's what went wrong, and then here's, like, I do not say this way, but like, here's what I learned from what went wrong, and here's how I'm gonna change this, here's how I'm gonna make it better. Here's how I'm going to solve this situation. You're going to face some issues. There's going to be some problem in your journey. You're going to have, like, some days are going to be hard. It's just how you frame it. Do not run on Twitter to cry about it, to complain about it, to bitch about it. Just try to think about the solution. Try to fix the problem. You are an entrepreneur. Like, your whole job is to fix, like, it's to solve problem. All right. So just frame it in a way that means that you're gonna that you're gonna actually solve the issue. Not like, do not just come here to complain about it, or just ask about it. Just say, hey, here's my issue, here's what I have, I don't know what to do next. Does anybody have any idea? All right. Do not start running on Twitter and complain about it. All right. Always be in a problem-solving mindset. That was tip number 2. Tip number 3 is to build a true community of warriors, a close circle of warrior where you can, like, share your problem and talk about solutions, stuff like that. Because, for example, with the people I talk about, like, most of the time when we have some losses, we laugh about it. We do not necessarily cry about it, but we try to find solution as fast as possible. We do not start crying about our problems. We do not run to Twitter to complain about it. We try to find solution and build a circle of warriors. 3-5 people, warriors. Build a circle with them. Talk with them every day. Build your business and do not bitch about stuff on Twitter. All right. So that was the 3 tips. I hope it was helpful. Actually, this is the way I think about business and problem solving. Do not be a bitch. Just make some money on Amazon. Do not be a bitch. Solve problems. That's it. If you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, watch these other videos on the screen. In the meantime, subscribe, like, do all that stuff. I release a new video every day, so I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.